Welcome to Best Primary Mathematics channel. I would like to present about place value of numbers. At first, we should teach by pictorial. Place value of numbers by pictorial. If you take place value of number by pictorial, we should draw a Avoca's picture, and according to the given number, draw the beads and present the concept of place value of numbers. Then one more pictorial, we should draw the blocks or cubes. Blocks or cubes represent as ones. Strip or block of 10 represent as tens place. Or one sheet or block of or cube of 100 represent as 100 place. Okay, next 1000 place. We should draw here a cube of 1000 or block of 1000 and represent as 1000 place. Okay, in the picture we can see those pictures. Like that we should draw the pictures and present the concept of ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and read the numbers. Then we should take abstract method, place value of abstract method. Place value of number by abstract method. Abstract method means we should present the place value of number with number with numbers. We should abstract method means we should teach the place value concept through numbers. Okay, for example, find the place value and face value of underline digit or circle digit. Like that we should give the problems or give the examples and teach through abstract method. Okay, thank you.